Alright, what's up, y'all? I want to give you guys an update on Ethereum. We were right. Guys, we were right. We've been talking, me and Messi have been talking on this channel for the past few days, how we suspected a downturn in the cryptocurrency markets with Ethereum and Bitcoin. And, you know, there's been a bit of drama because people didn't seem to kind of like that talk. I mean, we both made it clear that we think in the long run, the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin, Ethereum will do very well, but in the short term, it kind of made sense that things were going to fall. And guess what, guys? We were right. We've been telling you guys. It just made sense. The stock market opened up down today, found support at exactly where I predicted it would. And yeah, guys, I made a cool. I'm up 7% on this short so far. I think it's going to continue to fall. I think Bitcoin is going to reach 98 at the very least. Probably go down to 96, fill out that gap. That's just that's a real quick and dirty thing that I think could happen. I haven't done much technical analysis on Bitcoin given this most recent drop yet. But yeah, guys, the catalyst for all this was the U.S. stock market opening down, and by a lot too, guys. That's like a pretty large drop. Ooh, was that a gap? Interesting. Anyways, guys, let's do a bit of technical analysis on Ethereum. So, Ethereum, I think it's pretty clear why it was going to drop here. Sorry about that music if it was distracting, guys, but you know, I'm making money right now, so I just had to play that song. So, as we can see, there's a very clear ascending triangle in from our. We're looking at what are we looking at? 45 minute. Let's look at a 4-hour. Right, okay, guys, so this made sense that this was going to fall. In my eyes, we look at the RSI, a clear downtrend, okay? At this point, the MACD was in the positive and looked like it was going to continue to flip red. Okay, guys, we're in this ascending triangle. As soon as we broke down from this triangle, I was like, okay, this is very clear that we're breaking down. Like over here, we peaked above this line, and then our second attempt, we peaked above higher. But look at these wicks. We didn't even get a candle above here, just wicks. This could not break above 389.50, okay, guys? And then we broke down beneath this triangle, and we retested and couldn't break above. Guys, this was super, super bearish. So I entered a short right when we... Let's look at a shorter time frame here. When did I enter? I entered about here. I laddered my buy, so I was shorting around this area. I think my average is probably somewhere around 370. So yeah, guys, we tested above. This was actually a little nerve-wracking when we were retesting the support/resistance line here, the yellow one. But yeah, guys, we very clearly couldn't break above. We were losing a lot of steam. As you can see on the MACD, we were in a downtrend while this was trying to break above. The RSI was making lower highs while we were trying to break above. If anything, I should have just waited here for a retest and shorted around here, because this just was not breaking above, guys. It just wasn't doing it. So the question is, how far is this going to fall? I think Ethereum is going to continue to fall just as long as Bitcoin continues, and I think Bitcoin will continue to fall as long as the stock market continues to fall. So, you know, as much as I love being crypto, guys, the stock market does affect what happens in cryptocurrency. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little update here. I think Bitcoin might even fall to 96 to just finish off that gap. But guys, the thing that's exciting though, I know I've been like kind of bearish on Bitcoin and Ethereum in the short term, but in the long term, guys, I'm very, very bullish in the long term on these two coins. And you know what? I'm actually excited. I can't wait for Bitcoin to fall to 96 or 95, like the low 9,000s, I think. Because once it does, guys, once we do fall that much, I think we're primed to start going back up again, guys. And we might even break these most recent all-time highs. Who knows? But I think once we do, things get really oversold in like the low 9,000s. You know, everyone's going to want to buy up that range. And I'm pretty sure we're going to have a good, hard bounce here. But for the time being, this is going to continue to fall, likely at least until the bottom of this wick, like 310. Yeah. I might even add to my short position here, guys. I'm actually not sure. I'm gonna do some more technical analysis on this. I'm just kind of spitballing here at the moment, but let's assume this makes sense that it would continue to fall. I would probably want to wait until the MACD is in the positive. We've flipped from bearish to bullish, and the RSI is somewhere in the overbought region. Um, and if those two things happen and we haven't recovered to like 370, like we're only here or something, like it's another story. If we actually, you know what, guys, it probably makes sense that we'd want to retest 370. Um, but I would predict that we would get rejected again just because this whole everything here just looks very bearish. So yeah, guys, I'll make another video here if and when I add to my position or I sell or whatever happens next. Or, if I do something with Bitcoin. But if you guys could please like, subscribe, comment, share, really appreciate it. It really helps with the channel.